This topics, what is big data analytics and how to does it work. For big data overview, in the digital age, in the world is witness in the unprotected the exploration in data generation. This is a deluxe. This is deluxe of information, often called big data. It is reshaping industries, economics, and how we live and work. Big data is in encompasses a vast array of data sources ranging from social media interactions, online transactions, and sensor data from LOT is a device to sensitive research and finding and beyond. It is share is a volume is a biodiversity, varieties, and complexity and characterize its volume. Big data is massive. Traditional data store and processing method need help to handle the sheer volume of data generated daily. This enterprise and organizations are dealing with is a patterns and is a X bytes and information, so which is a drove past data. This is a velocity. Data is generated at an astonishing speed. Social media posts, sensor reading, and the financial transactions happen in real times. The ability to capture the process and analyzes data at this speed opens up opportunity for real-time decision making and responsive actions. Varieties big data comes in various formats. It includes is structured data and is a constructed data. যেমন হচ্ছে big text videos and videos. This is in diversity present both challenge and opportunities, as is the extinct instinct from is unconstructed data require advanced and analytics technology. The complexity, this is a point at the three verses, and the complexing the big data is further compound by its is a varieties and is a ambiguous. Data source may only sometimes follow as a consist is a pattern, making analysis more intricate. Moreover, understand the text and relationships within the data is critical for meaningful is instead. The importance of big data are profound. It can the potential is a revolutionize industry from is healthcare and the finance to marketing and transactions. By this the happiness is the power of big data analysis. Organizations can gain deeper insights into the customers' behavior, identify market trends, optimize in the operations, involve products and offering, enhance cyber security, and drive is innovations. Thank you for watching.